Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this 2005 Toyota HiAce. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the radio for a new one. I'm amazed to see this has still got the factory Panasonic cassette deck in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put another single DIN in. Not everybody wants the double DIN Apple CarPlay units. So we're going to put in the Kenwood KDC-BT760DAB. So this unit has single CD, it's a single DIN unit, it has Bluetooth, it has DAB, built-in Alexa, so let's get it in there. So there we go, all installed, and you can see you've still got the pocket below. It bolts into the original brackets that the old radio was bolted into. The unit itself does have a multicolour display, so you can tailor it to the vehicle's illumination, which is quite nice. So if you're looking for a single DIN CD player rather than a double DIN Apple CarPlay unit, get in contact.